Properties of material. Solubility. Solubility is a property by which a substance gets dissolved in another substance. To understand this property, let us perform an activity. Collect some solid substances such as sugar, salt, chalk powder, sand, and sawdust. Take 5 glasses or beakers, all filled with 2/3 of water. Add a small amount of these substances separately in each of the beakers. Stir the contents of each of them and wait for some time. Now, carefully observe what happens to the contents of the beakers. You will find that salt and sugar disappear completely in the water. Such substances which dissolve completely in water are termed as soluble substances. Whereas sand, chalk powder, and sawdust do not disappear in the water completely, even after we stir for a long time. Such substances which do not dissolve completely are known as insoluble substances. Since water can dissolve a large number of substances, it plays a very important role in the functioning of our body. Let us now perform a similar activity using some liquids such as vinegar, lemon juice, coconut oil, and kerosene. Take 4 beakers, fill all up to half with water. Add a few spoonfuls of the liquids separately in all the beakers and stir them. Keep the beakers undisturbed for some time. Now, carefully observe the contents of the beakers. You will notice that some liquids, that is, vinegar and lemon juice, completely mix with water, while the others, namely coconut oil and kerosene, do not mix with water but form a separate layer on it. Like solids and liquids, some gases are soluble, whereas others are not. For example, water usually has small quantities of some gases dissolved in it. Oxygen dissolved in water is important, and it is very essential for the survival of animals and plants that live in water.